Hey YouTube, hey, it's your girl JJ, and welcome back to Globe University, a channel where we glow up and we grow up. So it's St. Patrick's Day right around the corner. Today we'll be getting into some fun, fresh spring looks featuring the color green. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty ladies, so for this first outfit, it is a tropical green dress from SHEIN. It ruffles a little bit at the bottom. It's very flowy. It gives you a lot of space. And I got this in my normal size, a 2XL. So for those of you who are new here, I am a size 16, true blue 16, all across the board. And then everything I usually order a 2XL unless it runs small. But this dress, it has spaghetti straps. It doesn't stretch at all, but like I said, it is very flowy. And then it is made of polyester. I like the dress personally, but for those of you who don't like that material that does this, then this might not be a dress for you. Okay, now for this next look, we have this off-the-shoulder shirt from SHEIN as well. It's long sleeve, but I always prefer to like stretch my sleeves up. I think it gives me a little bit more arm. But it's light, it's buttery, it's like buttery soft, and then it also has like this little like ruching effect on the side. The shorts, they're also from SHEIN in like a sage green color, and it's like accordion. With the pants, they're pull on, so this button is just for show. And then it has elastic in the waist, especially in the back. For me, I feel like the pants are a little too long. If you're new here, I'm 4'9½", and I just feel like it cuts off my leg a little bit. But if you're taller, then these probably work perfect for you. But I think this is a great outfit for, you know, if you're just wanting to go out to the farmer's market, if you're going shopping, even if you're just going, you're going shopping or anything like that, this is the perfect outfit for that. And then also I would say put on some sunnies because it's that time of year. And yeah, you'll look good. Okay, so for this next look, this has got to be like one of my favorite looks. And basically all it is it's like a satin textured button-up shirt. And I just tied it up in the front and scrunched the sleeves up. So if you got a button-up shirt, a green button-up shirt or something like that, just tie the thing up in the front. And then I paired it with some 3/4 length pants, or knickerbockers, if that's what you want to call them. But these pants are really starting to trend right now. And then I also think for short thickies like myself, these make our bodies look really nice. It gives you some length to the legs, and then it also accentuates those curves. And then this look is a good look if you're going out shopping, if you're going out to brunch, just hanging out, and you want to look cute and comfortable. I paired mine with wedges. You can put heels on with yours, but I love a good wedge because it does help plump the booty up like a heel, but it's still comfortable. Girlies, so for this last look, the color combination goes crazy. So I had to do the pink and the green. Once I saw these little watermelon earrings, I was like, I gotta come up with something that goes with them, and it's perfect for this season. The summer knit, the top is a summer knit from Ann Taylor, and then the pants are a linen pant from Ann Taylor. This look is just comfortable. It's cute. It's a go almost anywhere outfit. If you're going somewhere casual, you could just wear it to go running errands. You can wear it to go shopping. Even if you're going on like a solo like brunch date or something by yourself, that's perfect. All right. Alrighty, girls, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I know I've been gone for a while, but life be lifing, and I'm back now. The goal is to put out 2 a month. I can't promise you one every week, but the goal is 2 a month. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're watching on your mobile device, please hype this video because it really helps me out. Thank you so much. Until next time.